Do you want to know how to add a group to your place on Roblox Studio? This helps your solo projects into a group-owned experience so your team can help manage it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your game to a Roblox group. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox Studio. This method works whether you're creating a new game or using an existing one. I'm going to start from scratch for you guys. So, on the Roblox Studio, click on New Experience. It will open a base plate game for you. Once your game loads, go to the top left corner, click File, and then select Save to Roblox As. Now click on Create New Game. At the bottom left, give your game a name. I'm gonna name it XYZ. You can also add a description if you like. Now make sure this TeamCreate option is enabled. And click on Save. After saving, again go to File. This time click on Publish to Roblox. Then tap on the Manage Collaborators icon. Now in this bar, type the name of your group. Select your group. Here you can edit their access, if they can play or not. Then just click on Save. As I'm not gonna publish my place on this group, so I'm canceling it, but it'll work fine for you. So that's how you can add your game to a Roblox group. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.